Hello, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Tom, and I'm very happy to talk to you today. This episode is perfect for beginners who want to practice listening. Today, we're going to talk about a very popular topic. We will explore how to describe your city in simple English words. I live in a wonderful place, and I want to share it with you. Learning to talk about your home is very important for conversation. It helps you share your life with new friends from other countries. You can use these simple sentences during your future speaking tests. Let's start our virtual tour right away. My city is called Riverview, and it is located near a big river. It is not a huge metropolis like New York or London. However, it is not a small, quiet village either. I think it is a medium-sized town with a great atmosphere. About 200,000 people live here at the moment. The weather today is beautiful, sunny, and perfect for a walk. I love this place because it feels very comfortable and welcoming. In this podcast, I will show you different parts of my hometown. We will visit the central square, parks, and some modern areas. You will learn useful adjectives to describe buildings and streets. Please listen carefully to the pronunciation of every single word. You can repeat the sentences after me to practice your accent. Do not worry if you do not understand everything at first. Language learning takes time, patience, and daily practice. Try to look at the pictures to understand the context better. Are you ready to begin our exciting English journey? Grab a cup of coffee and enjoy the lesson with me. Let us open our eyes and look around this beautiful area. I am excited to be your guide today. Let's move to our first interesting location. We are standing in the historical heart of Riverview. The city center is always busy, lively, and full of energy. There are many old buildings with beautiful architecture around us. Look at the ancient town hall with its tall clock tower. The streets here are narrow and made of old gray stones. Cars are not allowed in this specific part of the town. People only walk, ride bicycles, or sit outside at small tables. I see many tourists taking photos of the historical monuments. There is a large fountain right in the middle of the square. The water is clean, and children like to play near it. You can find many cozy cafes and traditional restaurants here. The smell of fresh coffee and sweet pastry is amazing. I often meet my friends here on Saturday mornings. We buy delicious croissants and talk about our week. There are also several souvenir shops for visitors. They sell postcards, magnets, and local handmade products. The center is very clean because people respect their town. Local authorities plant beautiful flowers in big pots every spring. You can see bright red, yellow, and purple tulips everywhere. It looks like a colorful painting from a famous artist. This area is historical, traditional, and very attractive. I feel proud when I show this place to guests. It has a rich history that began 5 centuries ago. Many old stories and legends belong to these beautiful streets. It is the most popular meeting point for local citizens. The atmosphere here is always friendly and cheerful. I like to spend my free time walking around these blocks. It is a great place to observe urban life. Let's walk a bit further down the main street. Our next stop is going to be much more green. My city has a lot of green spaces and public parks. We are entering Central Park, which is the biggest nature area here. It is a peaceful place where you can escape the urban noise. There are hundreds of old oak and maple trees around us. The grass is bright green, soft, and very well kept. Many families come here on weekends to have a picnic. Children love running on the lawns, and playing with balls. I see a couple of people reading books under the shade. There's a beautiful lake in the center of this park. White ducks and majestic swans swim slowly on the water. You can rent a small wooden boat to explore the lake. It is a very romantic activity for young couples. The air here feels incredibly fresh, clean, and healthy. I usually come here early in the morning for a run. Jogging helps me stay fit and gives me great energy. There are special paths for runners and bicycle riders. This keeps the park safe for pedestrians and small kids. You can also find a modern playground with swings and slides. Elderly people sit on comfortable benches and chat together. It is wonderful to have so much nature inside a town. Ecological topics are very important for the local government. They protect these trees and care about the wild animals. Sometimes you can even see small brown squirrels in the branches. They are not afraid of humans and look for nuts. It is a perfect spot for relaxation and meditation. Nature makes people happier and reduces everyday stress. I always feel refreshed after spending an hour under these trees. Riverview is definitely a green and eco-friendly place. Let's leave the quiet park and see another side of town. We're going to visit the Modern District. Welcome to the business and modern district of Riverview. This part of the city looks completely different from the center. Here, you can see tall buildings made of glass and concrete. These skyscrapers belong to banks, international companies, and IT offices. The streets are wide, straight, and have multiple car lanes. Traffic can be quite heavy during the rush hour in the morning. Many professionals come here every day to work in offices. Let's talk about the public transport system in my town. It is very modern, efficient, and punctual. We have a great network of clean electric buses and trams. A modern tram is passing by us at this exact moment. It is quiet and does not pollute our environment. Passengers can buy tickets using their smartphones or credit cards. The electronic displays of the stations show the exact arrival time. Traveling around the city is easy, cheap, and convenient. Most citizens prefer public transport to private cars. This choice helps to avoid huge traffic jams on the roads. There are also many electric scooters available for rent. Young people use them to travel short distances quickly. You can see special parking zones for these scooters everywhere. The infrastructure here is designed for a comfortable life. There are big shopping malls with clothes, electronics, and food courts. People come here to buy groceries or watch new movies. This district represents the future and growth of our community. It shows that Riverview is developing fast and successfully. I do not live in this specific area, but I visit it often. It is an important part of our local economy. The contrast between old and new makes the city interesting. Let us change our location to see where people live. Follow me to a typical residential neighborhood. We are in a quiet residential area where many families live. The houses here are mostly 3 or 4 stories high. Every building has a small garden or a balcony with flowers. This neighborhood is very safe, peaceful, and family-friendly. There is a big modern school just across the street. I can hear the sound of children laughing in the schoolyard. Next to the school, there is a public sports ground. Teenagers often play basketball and football there after classes. My city has excellent facilities for all its citizens. A large hospital with professional doctors is located nearby. There are several pharmacies, dental clinics, and post offices. You do not need to go to the center for basic needs. A small local supermarket is just around the corner. It sells fresh bread, milk, vegetables, and fruit from local farms. The store owners are very polite and know all their neighbors. Living here is peaceful because there is no loud nightlife. People respect the quiet hours in the evening and at night. The streets are well lit, which makes walking at night safe. I rent a small but comfortable apartment in this area. My flat has one bedroom, a kitchen, and a nice view. I could see the tops of the trees from my living room window. It is a perfect place for a young man like me. The rent is not too expensive compared to larger cities. Neighbors always say hello when we meet in the corridor. Good relationships make this neighborhood feel like a real community. It is important to feel comfortable where you sleep and rest. This district has everything a person needs for daily life. We have seen almost all sides of Riverview today. Let us find a nice place to finish our conversation. Let us walk back towards the beautiful riverbank. Our interesting tour of Riverview is coming to an end. We're standing on the beautiful promenade next to the river. The sun is setting and the sky looks orange and pink. This is my absolute favorite view in the whole city. It is time to review the useful words from this lesson. We used adjectives like busy, quiet, modern, old, and green. These words are perfect for describing any town or village. Think about your own hometown for a few seconds. Is your city big or small, noisy or peaceful? What is the most beautiful place in your neighborhood? Try to create 3 simple sentences about your home. You can write them down in your notebook for practice. Regular practice is the secret key to speaking English fluently. I hope this podcast was useful for your listening skills. You did a great job by listening until the very end. Learning a new language is a long but beautiful journey. Every new word makes you smarter and opens new doors. I enjoy being your English teacher and guide today. My city welcomes visitors from all over the world. Maybe you will visit Riverview in real life one day. You can find more interesting lessons on our main channel. Do not forget to practice your English every single day. Share this podcast with your friends who learn English too. Thank you so much for your time and attention. It was a big pleasure to talk to you about my home. Keep studying, stay motivated, and never give up. Have a wonderful day and a great week ahead. Goodbye for today, and take care of yourself. See you soon in the next exciting podcast episode. Bye-bye from Tom and his beautiful city.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.